Hello, my name is Ikello Herod, and today we are going to be playing around with Hermes Desktop. What is Hermes Desktop? Basically, they wrote themselves a desktop app so that it could house all of the Hermes agents that you have. Let's walk through it. Hi, my name is Ikello Herod. If you don't know who I am, I help people learn about artificial intelligence, especially people who are creative, and I help them take their businesses to the next level. I've helped people go all the way up to $1 million a year run rate. I'm telling you, this is the future, and I'm here to help you get there. So what are we doing today? We're playing around with an agent. It's called Hermes, and like and subscribe. All right, this is Hermes Desktop right here. Hermes Desktop is a very, very, very cool little thing. We're going to start a new session. In that new session, we're going to just kind of tool around, take a look at all of the cool things that you can actually do inside of here. If you look in the upper right hand corner over here and you click on either the open settings or profiles. The profiles are where all of your agents live, so you manage your profiles. I have Hank, which is the default profile, and then Hermione, and then Holly. Okay, so you can actually even add profiles here and create even more agents if you want to build them up completely. You can copy the setup and then put it into another agent completely if you wanted to. You can rename things. It's a very nice setup. And then over here on the Sprog or Sprocket, you have your models. So you can pick your model. You can go with OpenAI or GitHub, Anthropic. You can use the OpenAI API. You can pick all of their models. Everything is very nice. You can work on the chat. So the personality that you want it to come across with, you can affect your time zones, all of that stuff. Let me show you where you can get it. This is, as you can see, you can change all kinds of things. The actual tonality of it. So if I change it like this and then change it to dark mode, I could be all cocoa brown, which I really like it. But look at all of the different variations that you can have in dark mode, which are also translated into light mode. Very nicely put together. Looks a lot. And I do mean a lot, like every other one. As a matter of fact, I have to alternate with dark mode and light mode because I get confused on which ones are which. So I keep Hermes white, I keep Claude Code white, I keep OpenAI black. Your shells, your safety, you can fix all of your safety. This is all inside of a GUI. This has changed things for me. Now you have the ability to actually give this to a grandma, give this to my wife. Like at some point, my wife's gonna probably have her own computer set up with her own Hermes agent. We'll probably bump up the amount of money we're using on our OpenAI keys, and she will use some agents herself. This feels like the easy way to do it. Memory, context, voice, you can, every single thing. You can get deep in the weeds. You can talk about your gateways. You can have a remote gateway. You can drop all of your API keys for specific things, from LLM providers all the way to different tool providers. Here's the list of all of your MCP servers and archived chats. So if you have any chats in the background that are archived, you can find it out there. And then this tells you exactly what version this is. A new update is ready. 67 changes available. Check now. See what's new. And as you can see, they are making changes all of the time. I'm going to update it later. Actually, I'm going to update it now. The quirky thing about this is that it does not, and I repeat, it does not restart up again after you actually do the update. You've got to restart it yourself. What I want to do is I want to show y'all how to get your hands on it. You can either type in the terminal Hermes Desktop. It will pull the Hermes Desktop down for you from the internet, or especially if you already have Hermes installed on your computer, or you can go to Noise. Is it Noise? I can't ever remember the exact name of it. Let me see. Noise Research. Nous Research. Noise Research. Noiseresearch.com. That's all you have to do. And you end up in this right here. I don't know what to call it. Minimalist sort of website. And then you go to, as a matter of fact, anything they do, it's kind of all minimalist. Their blog is incredibly minimalist. Their Hermes agent is incredibly minimalist. As a matter of fact, I love this style. It's very cool. You can install the Hermes agent right from here. Once you're in the Hermes agent area, you can mess with the portal, which is their version of a agent that you can log into. So you get into the portal and then you can unlock access to the Hermes agent directly, or you can build it yourself, which is what I did. The portal, the desktop app, socials, that's whatever. And then here's the documentation for Hermes app. So if you are having any problems, you can point your AI towards that document page. But what you're going to do right here is you're going to click on this. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the agent that grows with you, Hermes. It is a desktop downloadable app that it detects whether it's Mac or Windows, and then automatically you can, or Linux. So it has all three of them ready right off the bat. I have to tell you, a lot of people don't ever really think about that. This is very cool. Gracie is right here. I'm petting her while I'm in the middle of this presentation. It lives everywhere, persistent memory, focused automation, tasks multiplied, browse the web, isolated sandboxing, Hermes. Very, very nicely put together website. Very nicely put together. Now, the fascinating thing about the Hermes website is they really have a style about them. You can download the agent that grows with you. All you have to download this thing like it's just a regular app off the internet, and then you are off to the races. It starts asking you questions and you are in like Flynn, and then you're greeted with this after it installs. Obviously, depending on your machine, I didn't show you that because it depends on who is installing it. It takes you through a startup process, asks you a bunch of questions, get you onboarded. You have a new sessions over here. You have skills and tools. So a huge list of all your skills, a huge list of all of your tool sets, which is very cool. You can turn things on and off as you see fit. So video generation, this right here, text to video generation, I should probably configure that. Video analysis requires video capable model. I would probably use my Gemini subscription to do that. Not subscription, my Gemini API to do that. Twitter search, which I thought I had all set up, but no, I have X search set up, which is a different skill. As a matter of fact, I should be able to go right here and say X search. No, could have sworn that X search was here. That's strange. Anyway, so, and then messaging, you can set up all of your messaging right here. Everything from Telegram all the way down to what looks like Teams, which is Microsoft Teams, WeChat, WhatsApp, Matrix, Mattermost, Slack, every single thing that you would want to mess around with. Now, I recommend this one for creatives. As you can see, I built some assets in the artifacts. These are things that Hermes has built for me, that I've had it built for me. I actually am surprised it doesn't show me the image of Hank Jr. That's weird. Anyway, so your artifacts are here, and then all of your pinned conversations, your sessions are over here on the left-hand side. That's pretty much the entire thing. Let me see here. Mute haptics. Oh, there are haptics. That's kind of nice. And let's see here. Does this thing do anything? No. But that's pretty much the overview and the walkthrough of Hermes Desktop. If you have a problem with Hermes, or questions about it, leave a comment in the comment section below and I will help you. I promise I will try my best to help you, or at least make a video that would make it easier for you to be able to install this. This is the easiest agent that you could install today. I absolutely encourage all creatives, everybody who creates videos, who writes books, who makes little films, you need an agent in your back pocket, because you can do things like work with MCP servers and stuff like that and really get hooks and skills automatically into tons and tons of new, wonderful applications. And a lot of it's free. A lot of it's free. The entrance to all of this is a subscription to OpenAI. That's all you have to do. They aren't even paying me. I wish they were. That's it for me. My name is Ekel O'Hare. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.